Now, I want to change the table name from ASP.NET Roles to Role, ASP.NET User Claims to User Claim, ASP.NET User Logins to User Login, ASP.NET User Roles to User Role, ASP.NET Users to User. So let us do how we can do that. Expand Models folder, open IdentityModels.cs file. Under an application DB context class, I am overriding the onModel method. Just type override and press space from keyboard, select onModel and for convert ASP.NET users table to user, write the given code as well. For convert ASP.NET role table to role same as other. So here we have code in order to change the table name. Now give a solution build succeeded. Go to Tools, NuGet Package Manager, go to Package Manager console, click on it. Enter the command add migration change default table names. Again enter the command update database. Open SQL Server 2014 Management Studio and refresh the tables. Notice that our table name has been changed. Now, reload Web API project. Expand Models folder of Web API and open IdentityModels.cs file. Under an application DB context class, I am overriding the onModel method. Just type override and press space from keyboard, select onModel. Expand MVC project and expand Models folder, open IdentityModels.cs file. Just copy these lines of code. Now, again go to Web API project, open IdentityModels.cs file and paste it. Now give a solution build succeeded. Now, unload MVC project. Go to Tools, NuGet Package Manager, go to Package Manager console, click on it. Enter the command enable migrations. Again enter the command add migration initial DB. Now, reload MVC project.